Is there any more dish detergent? Check out the sink. Oh my goodness, look at this mess. I need to really get this organized. Alright, so straight out of the packaging, make sure you have all of these parts. This is what it's going to look like when it's finished. Here are all the parts. You have everything that is required. As you can see, it's made of plastic material. So without further ado, let's get started. It should be a piece of cake because yesterday I assembled a fairly complex gaming chair. And this is a piece of cake. Wow, that was quite easy. And this is what it looks like when it's fully assembled. It is actually quite sturdy. You see how the bottom tray slides out? That is perfect. Now to get started on the second one. Before. You guys ready for the after? Here it is. Wow, look at how much more organized it is. Because my undersink cabinet is a little bit compact because of the tubing and the routing, I wasn't able to fit both in there longitudinally, but I was able to make it work. Look at all the things that I could include in the organizer. So you have these 4 removable dividers right here that you can hold various items. I have this whole toothbrush right here, and of course with the 4 hooks on each, you can hang brushes, other items, cleaning items, and let's not forget the fold-out drawer. This is my favorite part. Check it out. See how that slides out? So you can get easy access to all of your cleaning agents. All right. And let's not forget, this features a 2.5 inch deep tray, so it doesn't tip over or fall out. So not only is this ideal for the kitchen, it also organizes your items in the bathroom, in the cabinet, or even in the pantry. So if you want to conserve space and get better organized, then definitely check out this undersink organizer.